finish school before you start making money. Many people today have the idea that school is scam. Many people today have the idea that money is the most important thing. But this same set of people go on in life to make money, or what they call money, and they end up regretting their lack of education. They end up regretting their lack of school education. I can tell you a lot from experience. I got educated before I started making money. I got education to a particular level, to a good level that you can say somebody is educated before I started making money. And now, getting education is easy for me. And making money also is easy. You see, the energy that you put into the learning how to get an education, if also after getting the education you put it into making money, you will see that it is easy to make money. Now, let me tell you something. If you devote your time that you're supposed to spend in school to making money, truly you may eventually make the money, but that money may be limited. Somebody went to school for 7 years to become a medical doctor, for 6 to 7 years, or some people go for 4 years to become business, to study science, to study art, to study accounting, to study commerce. And they come out with a degree after 4 years. They get a job with a car, with a house. And somebody have been struggling with his own business while the other was in school. I'm telling you, most businesses do not stand on their feet even in 4 years, even in 5 years, even in 10 years. In fact, somebody have said it takes a lifetime. Somebody have said it takes a lifetime to build a business. So anybody that is telling you that it's easy to build a business, you just do this, just do that, and then you make money, they are lying to you. I've seen people who make money, but they do not have a certificate, they do not have a degree. It limits them. When you have money without an education, you become limited. And lack of education also limits individuals. An individual, as I know, he did not go to school, did not have a school certificate, even O level. He learned a trade. And then he was bidding for a job in a company. He passed the first stage like others, passed the second stage in competition with others, passed the third stage. He was good, he was everything. At the last stage, they asked them to bring their certificate. He could not drop any certificate because even the school cert, he did not complete it. That made him to lose the job. Yes, you could do the job, but the company want a level of communication that shows that you can be communicated with. You can be communicated with in a standard way that a company should communicate. And that they did not find. That was how he lost that contract from that company. And that contract was a big one. The effect of losing that contract made this individual to make sure that all his children, they went to university. In fact, his firstborn, he went to the first degree, he did his second degree. I think he's on his third degree now in a Nigerian university. This is because of what he saw. The man had money, but his lack of education prevented him from clinching what will have helped his life financially and economically. So all those who are saying that school is scam and they are dropping out of school to do this, to do that, they should stop that. My advice for you to stop that. Go to school first. In fact, stop thinking about making money until you leave school. Stop putting your energy into making money until you leave school, because another thing is that when you start making money while in school, it affects your concentration. You will not be able to concentrate as you should. I make money today and I know the limits, there are limitations. When you want to sit down to really sit down and put everything down, it's different from you making money and then somebody making money and giving you like a scholarship. I tell students that I have opportunity to meet today that you are not the one working, your father is working, your mother is working, your auntie, your sisters, your uncles, my family members, friends, they are the one working and giving you money to pay your school fees and to pay your rent and to feed you. I told them that they are on scholarship. Anyone that is not working to pay his fees is on scholarship. And I tell them, when you're on scholarship, what do? You devote all your energy, all your time, all your effort into making sure that the scholarship you are being given is not wasted. So your parents are the ones sponsoring you. You're on scholarship. All you need to do is to work hard to ensure that what they have put into that scholarship to send you to school is not wasted. So please make sure you finish school before you start thinking of making money. I am going to talk to you some other time. This YouTube channel is a lifestyle YouTube channel. It's a YouTube channel that helps your life, that's going to make your life to become better. If this video have given you value, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Consider sharing the link of this video, and also consider making and dropping your comment in the comment section below. My own take is that school is not scam, and school can never be scam. Bye for now.